Namaste, this is Riddhi, and in this video we will see about strip plot design Excel tool using Agri Analyze. So we will move forward to our Excel tool. So this is the Excel tool is for strip plot design with 4 level of vertical factor, 5 level of horizontal factor and 3 level of replication. And the best thing about this Excel tool is that it is dynamic in nature. So you can replace your dummy data with your original data and the output will get changed. So if I am changing the value over here, the result got automatically changed. So this is the ANOVA table for strip plot design. Their sources are replication, factor A, that is vertical factor, error associated with vertical factor, factor B, that is horizontal factor, error B, that is associated with horizontal factor, interaction of horizontal and vertical factor, and error associated with interaction. ANOVA table always it has degrees of freedom, sum of square, mean square, F value, P value, result, F table at 5%, result at 5%, F table at 1% and result at 1%. So the other statistics are like standard error of mean, standard error of difference, critical difference at 5% and 1% for the vertical factor, horizontal factor and interaction. Also it has coefficient of variance for 3 error, that is error A, error B and error C. And the overall mean, and it has mean table for factor A, that is vertical factor, factor B, that is horizontal factor and interaction of vertical and horizontal factor. It has mean, standard deviation and standard error. Also it is giving us the thesis format table. So this is the output in the thesis format and you can use directly. So this Excel tool is available for different transformation like square root, arcsine and log transformation. Also you can change the alpha value. Let's say you want this result based on alpha value 5% and you want to change it to 1%. So right here 0.01 it changed the value. Then result will be based on 1% alpha. So now let's see how to get this Excel tool using Agri Analyze. So this is the website of Agri Analyze. Now click on Excel tool, then select design of experiment and in that select strip plot design Excel tool. Now we have to add our numbers in this field. Here I will add number of replication will be 3, vertical factor will be 4, horizontal factor will be 5 and alpha value will be 0.05. You can change the alpha value later, but you cannot change the replication, vertical factor or horizontal factor. And I have already told you there are 4 options available for transformation. No transformation, square root, log and arcsine. Currently I am selecting no transformation. We need to pay some nominal charges over here and now click on checkout. Now click on download button to get the Excel tool. So in order to get the strip plot design with square root transformation, again go to the Agri Analyze website and go to the page strip plot design Excel tool. Now I want strip plot design with 3 replication, 4 level of vertical factor, 5 level of horizontal factor and alpha will be 0.05. Now I will select transformation as square root transformation. It will ask one additional value, that is the value needs to be added while performing the transformation. So if you want transformation of x plus 0.5 and if you want transformation of x plus 1, square root transformation, right over here 1. So basically you can also change this value later in the sheet. So don't need to worry about that. And you can change the alpha and additional value, but you cannot change the replication, number of vertical factor and number of horizontal factor. Again, you need to pay some nominal charges. And now click on checkout button. Now click on download button to get the square root transformation Excel tool. So this is the Excel sheet. Now there is a one on and off button of the additional value. So let's say you want addition of 0.5 and perform square root, then you write over here 1 over here. But if you don't want any additional value, then write 0 over here. So currently I am writing 0 over here. Now this is a place where you add your row data, and you can delete this data and place your own data. And below there is a section of transform data. Don't change this data. This is based on the original data that you are placing over here, and you can see the formula. Also it is doing square root. Post addition, this additional value add analysis based on transform data. So you can see the ANOVA table here, then different statistics that is associated with the design, mean table for vertical factor, horizontal factor and interaction. Here you get the additional thing called retransform mean and original mean. So retransform is basically the reverse process of transformation of the value. We perform square root transformation with addition of 0.5. So what I will do, I will first square this value. And now I will minus 0.5 from this value. So you can see over here both the values are matching. So this is how the retransform mean is computed, and this is how the original mean is computed. This is the average of all the values that are associated with even in the row data or the original data. So that's why the name is given original mean. And this is the thesis format table that you can directly place in your thesis. Best part is that summary keeps on changing as you change the data. As soon as you finalize the data, you can just copy and paste in your research project. So this is all about Excel tool using Strip Plot Design Excel tool. You can also check out for arcsign and log transformation. So I hope you like this video and a tool. If you have any type of question or a query, feel free to reach out to us at contact@agrianalyze.com, or you can also WhatsApp us at 8866556564. Thank you for watching.